Good morning students, welcome back to the class. Today we'll continue with chapter number 2. In the previous class we have done with the multiplication of integers. Today we are going to learn division of integers. For division of integers also we have the rules. We'll see which are these rules, and based on these rules we will solve the practice set number 9. Okay. Now see the first rule. We cannot divide any number by 0. Why? Because 0 is undefined. That's why we cannot divide any number by 0. Now see the second one. The quotient of two positive integer is a positive number. Okay. Now first we learn what is the term quotient. This you have learned from 4th standard. When you do any division, suppose for example 10 divided by 2. Okay. So when you do the division method, 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0. So here this 5. Okay. When the result obtained by dividing one number by another is called the quotient. Okay. Then here 2 is the divisor, 10 is the dividend, and 0 is the remainder. Okay. So what is the term quotient? Result obtained by dividing one number by another. Here the result is obtained. No, this is called as quotient. Okay. Now see the rule number 2 here. The quotient of two positive integer is a positive number. So when I divide positive number by another positive number, the quotient which is obtained is also positive. This we learn through example. See here. Now 25 divided by 5. Now 25 is also a positive and 5 is also a positive number. So when I divide for this here, instead of going for division, when we are dividing integers, you have to arrange in fraction form. That is in numerator and denominator form. Upon means division. Okay. And then you have to divide. Okay. This is clear, I think so. So when you are dividing the integers, that time you have to arrange in fraction form. Why you have to arrange in fraction form? So that our division become easy. Okay. So now I'll divide 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. So 5 upon 1 I got. And in the denominator, if you have 1, we don't count. So we just write the numerator number, that is 5. Okay. So when we divide one positive number by another positive number, the quotient obtained is positive. Okay, a positive number. Now see the second one. The quotient of two negative integer is a rule number 3. It is not 2. The quotient of two negative integer is a positive integer. Okay. Now two negative integer means when I divide a negative integer by another negative integer, the quotient obtained is positive. Okay. Now this we will learn through example now. See here. The same numbers I will take. Minus 25 divided by minus 5. Okay. Minus 25 divided by minus 5. First you have to arrange in fraction form, that is minus 25 upon minus 5. The minus minus become plus. So we'll write now here the numbers with plus sign. 25 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So the quotient which is obtained is also a positive number. Okay. When we divide two negative, we get the quotient positive. See the last rule. The quotient of a positive integer and the negative integer is always a negative number. Okay. So when I divide one positive number by another negative number, the quotient obtained is negative. Okay. The quotient obtained is negative. We learn through example. Now see here. Minus 25 divided by 5. One positive number and one negative number. Okay. Now first I will arrange in fraction form. Okay. And then I will divide. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So what I got? 5 upon 1. The answer is 5. Answer is minus 5. Okay. So when there is 1 in the denominator, we don't count. We just write the numerator number, that is minus 5. Got it? So when you have one positive and one negative, the quotient which is obtained is in negative. Okay, but here one thing you have to keep in mind, when you have this negative number in the denominator, suppose see 25 divided by minus 5. Now in this case what you have to do, 25 upon minus 5, this minus sign you have to write in numerator. It is mandatory. Okay, you have to take it into the numerator and then you have to divide. 5 ones are 5 5s are, again you got 5 upon 1. Answer is minus 5. So I hope these rules are clear. One more time we will just revise which are these 4 rules. We cannot divide any number by 0. Then the quotient of 2 positive integer is a positive number. The quotient of 2 negative integer is a positive integer or positive number. The quotient of the quotient of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative number. Okay, so based on this we will solve practice set number 9. See here, the first sum, minus 96 divided by 16. So minus 96 divided by 16. If you are thorough with the tables, 16 ones are, 16 6s are. From the beginning I am telling you to revise the tables 1 to 20. See, that will help us here now. So 16 ones are, 16 6s are, minus 6 upon 1. Answer is minus 6. Suppose in case if you don't know the table, so what you have to do, there is one more method. You have to convert into simplest form. Okay, so how you will do? Now you have to see these two are going in which table. Okay, and you have to start always with table 2, that is smallest table, that is 1 to 20. Okay, so you have to start with 2. Now in 2 table you have to see 16 and 96 is dividing. So here 16 goes how many times? 8 times. And here 2 4s are 8, 1 is left, 1 and 6 is 16, again 8s are. So what we got? Minus 48 upon 8. Okay, now again 8 and 48 you can take directly. Now here 8 1s are 8 6s are. So we got minus 6 upon 1. The answer is minus 6. Okay, so like this you can make the number smaller and smaller and you can divide. Okay, see the second sum, 98 divided by minus 28. So 98 divided by minus 28. So now here we got a minus sign in denominator. So first we have to take in numerator and then divide. Now here 98 and 28 both are bigger number. So first you have to convert into simplest form and then we have to divide. Okay, now here see 98 and 28 we will start with the small table, that is 2, smallest table, that is 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are 8, 1 is left, 1 and 8 is 18. So 2 9s are 18. So what we got now? Minus 49 upon 14. Now 14 and 49 goes in which table? Yes, 7 table. 7 2s are, 7 7s are. So what we got? Minus 7 upon 2. Okay, now see the here third, fourth and fifth sum I am giving you as a homework. We'll see the sixth sum, 2 numbers with minus sign. Okay, we are dividing 2 numbers with minus sign, that minus 150 upon minus 25. The minus minus become plus. So what we will do? 150 upon 25. First we will write the numbers in positive form and then we will divide. So 25 ones are, 25 6s are. You can also start with table 5. Okay, so I am doing directly. 25 ones are, 25 6s are, 6 upon 1. Answer is 6. Okay, and see the last sum here. Both are again with the minus sign. Before that we will do the seventh sum. Both are with the positive sign here. So we'll arrange in fraction form. 0 0 cancel. 6 and 10 upon 6 is there. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So what answer we got? 5 upon 3. Okay, and see the last sum. Minus 5 upon minus 315. Okay, so minus minus become plus. So 5 upon 315. Now we will divide. 5 ones are, then 5 6 are 30. 1 is left. 1 and 5 15. 5 3s are 15. So what we got? 1 upon 63. Okay, now here problem number 8 and 9, 3 4 5. I'm giving you as a homework. You complete in maths notebook, revise the table, practice all the sums again. And number 9, in that we have done with the first one. Today we will continue with the second one. Write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. Okay, we have to find out the 3 numbers of division of integers where their fraction will be 24 upon 5. Their value will be 24 upon 5. Now how we will get this 24 upon 5? Do we remember when we studied in 5th and 6th standard regarding equal values? What they are called? Yes, they are called equivalent fractions. When fractions are having equal values, they are called equivalent fractions. Now how we get these equivalent fractions? When we multiply same number with numerator as well as with denominator, we will get the equivalent fractions. Okay, so now we will do in the notebook the question number 2. Here the given fraction, the value is 24 upon 5. So we will find out the 3 division of integers by multiplying the same number with numerator and denominator. Okay, so now here I will write 24 upon 5, which is in fraction form. If you observe in practice set number 9, question number 1, here the division form was given and we have done the answers in the fraction form. Okay, and here the fraction form is given, we have to find the answers in the division forms. Okay, so now here 24 upon 5, when you multiply the numerator and denominator with same number, you can take any number. It is not like that you have to take smaller or bigger number. You can take both the smaller as well as bigger, the plus numbers as well as minus numbers. It will not make any difference, but I will always suggest you will go for the smaller numbers, which makes our calculation little easy. So now I will multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. I'll take 2 now, which is smaller. So now 24 2s are 48. That also if you doesn't know, see here now the multiplication. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 48 we got upon 2 5s are 10. Now the fraction form what we got? 48 upon 10, which is equal to the given fraction, that is 24 upon 5. So now this we will arrange in the division form, that is 48 divided by 10. Now to confirm whether we got the correct number, what we have to do? Now see here, 48 upon 10. Again we will divide with the same number. Here we have multiplied, we got the equal value fraction, and here we will divide so that we will come to know whether we got the given fraction, that is 24 upon 5. So here now I'll divide by 2 the same number. So 48 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 0. This 8 will come down. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So here quotient I got is 24 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, see here I got the fraction 24 upon 5, which is equal to the given fraction 24 upon 5. Okay, so one we got. Now we'll have to find out 2 more. So now again I will do 24 upon 5. 24 upon 5 multiplied by, now here I'll take minus number, minus 3 in numerator as well as in denominator, minus 3. Okay, now here first we will multiply and then we will put the sign. Okay, so minus 3 multiplied by 24, 3 4s are 12, 1 carried over, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, and this minus will come here, and minus 3 multiplied by 5, that is minus 15. Minus minus become plus, so 72 upon 15 we will put up in the division form, 72 divided by 15. Okay, now one more, 24 upon 5, we want 3 numbers, so we got 2. Now we'll do the third one, 24 upon 5 multiply by, naturally I'll go for 4 now, 1 2 and this will be the 4, 2 3 and this will be the 4. Okay, so 4 4s are 16, 1 carried over, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 4 5s are 20. So 96 upon 20 I got. Now we'll put up in the division form, 96 divided by 20. So these are the 3 division of integers which has a equal value, that is fraction form will be 24 upon 5. Okay, so I'll put up the answer now, that is 48 divided by 10, 72 divided by 15, 96 divided by 20. Okay, so like this we have done with the first question. See the second question. Write 3 division of integers such that the fraction form of each will be minus 5 upon 7. Okay, it is similar sum, here only we have the minus sign in numerator. Okay, so again we will use the same equivalent fraction where we have to make the values equal. Okay, so now minus 5 upon 7, minus 5 upon 7, I'll multiply the numerator and denominator with same number. 2 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 10, 2 7s are 14. Okay, this is the fraction form, minus 10 upon 14, I'll put up in the division form, minus 10 divided by 14. Okay, now 2 more we have to find out, minus 5 upon 7, so minus 5 upon 7 multiplied by 3. So 3 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 15, 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So minus 15 upon 21 I got, so we'll put up in the division form, that is minus 15 divided by 21. Then one more we'll find out, minus 5 upon 7, minus 5 upon 7 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 20, 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. So minus 20 upon 28 we got, we'll put up in the division form, minus 20 divided by 28. So 3 division of integers we got which has a equal value of minus 5 upon 7, that is fraction form. Okay, so now I'll put up the answer, that is minus 10 divided by 14, minus 15 divided by 21, minus 20 divided by 28. So like this we have done with the question number 3. Now we'll see question number 4. The fish in the pond below carry some numbers. You can see here they're carrying some numbers. Choose any pairs and carry out 4 multiplications with those numbers. Okay, and now choose 4 other pairs, carry out the division with these numbers. Okay, so you have to choose the numbers and you have to carry out the 4 pairs of multiplication as well as 4 pairs of divisions. Okay, so one example they have given, we'll see now. The first one, minus 13 multiply by minus 15. Okay, the minus minus become plus, 13 multiplied by 15 is 195. Okay, so one pair they have given, you have to take 3 more pairs. You can take any numbers. It is not necessary that you have to take this or this. You can take any two numbers, you multiply and you will get the answer here. Okay, now at the same time, see now division also. Minus 24 divided by 9. Okay, so now this they have arranged into fraction form, that is minus 24 upon 9, and then 24 and 9 goes in which table? 3 table. 3 threes are and 3 eights are. Okay, and this minus sign, so we got minus 8 upon 3. So like this is the one pair. 3 more pairs you have to find out, any 3 numbers, 3 pairs of numbers, and find the answer. Okay, this is an open-ended question, you can do in your notebook as a homework. Okay, next week we are having a unit test, so I'm going to give you the maths revision paper. Solve that revision paper in your maths notebook. While solving, if you find any difficulty with any question, we can discuss on Friday. Okay, till we meet on Friday, practice all the sums, the revision paper, as well as revise the tables 2 to 20, and take good care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.